Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy bonds on eToro. In this video, we will guide you through the steps needed to invest in bonds using the eToro platform. Whether you are a beginner or have some experience in trading, this tutorial will help you understand how to navigate eToro and make your bond purchases smoothly. First, you need to create an account on eToro if you haven't already. Go to the eToro website and sign up by providing your email address and creating a password. After confirming your email, complete your profile by providing personal information and verifying your identity. Once your account is set up, you can deposit funds to start investing. Now, to buy bonds, log into your eToro account and click on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in bonds or the specific bond you are interested in. When you find the bond, click on it to view more details. You will see information about the bond's performance, current price, and potential returns. If you decide to proceed, click on the Trade button. In the Trade window, you can specify the amount you wish to invest in the bond. Review your order, and once you're comfortable, click on Open Trade. Your bond purchase will be processed, and you can track its performance in your portfolio. Remember to conduct thorough research on the bonds you are considering and stay updated on market trends to make informed investment decisions. Thank you for watching, and happy investing.